How was work?
Dirty. Big work was. Bloody usual. What the hell are we eating anyway?
Don't you like it, John?
Well, I've had better. You washed your hands, boy? What the hell you think you're doing there, boy? How many times must I tell you? You never ever touch this. This is a family heirloom that my great-grandfather used to bring food to his family. So behave yourself or you're in trouble, mister!
Oh, good gracious. Look at that. Did you catch this yourself?
Yep.
Well done. Good on you, darling. What a great fisherman you are. Just in time. I was wondering what to cook for dinner. Dad's late. Oh well, we can't wait any longer.
Yum.
That was a good one. Where'd you get the fish from?
Well, you won't believe it, but Thomas fished it this morning.
I'll be damned. I swear to God, I'm going to give this boy a lesson. Thomas! Thomas! Thomas, where are you, you little weasel? Emma, where is he?
I don't know. He was here before.
Thomas! Where are you?
Hello, police? Yes, this is Emma Smith. We're missing our little boy again. Thomas. Yes. 7 Olive Avenue, Chelsea. Thomas!
Thomas!
Thomas! Come on!
Thomas!
John, do you remember all our agony and the struggle for the approval of Thomas at the adoption agency? Remember that time it was for that Christmas and I left him in the kitchen and we came in the next minute and his face was covered with chocolate pudding.
I'm so sorry. I've been such a creep, Thomas. Do you love him? Little bugger.
Tomorrow is his birthday. Where have you been hiding, my naughty boy? How did you spend the night without having your milk? Or brushing your teeth, huh?
Happy birthday, little boy.
Oh, wow! Thanks, Dad.